Sunday morning shit, flag or
I
whatever.
love playing football.
That'd be shit, bro.
I got some pretty good kids. You know what I'm
I hitting you with shells?
saying? Yeah, but I'm used to it, bro.
Alright, my bad. I looked over and I seen this one roll across the table.
Fuck.
Now, me on the other hand, I'm just gonna ride it out until I get a top jump.
Yeah, fuck that, bro. Carriages, one's up top will be empty. One on the bottom.
Oh, that's gangsta.
Full of ribs, bro.
That's gangsta.
Full of, like, he'd take a case of ribs.
Yeah.
Take that bitch.
He got caught.
He got caught, yeah, but you got this house, he's got this, like, almost the size of this fucking table, a cooler, bro, from like, right hand.
Full of shit.
Loaded with ribs, dog. Only ribs.
That's
I'm sorry.
probably
You got greedy, exactly.
Should
You
have
get
a couple. Yeah, you got greedy.
Yeah, exactly.
Dumbass.
I'm like, nuts.
A little rusty. A little Rust-Oleum on there.
Shit, I'm rusty.
Ready? Go.
God
I know you
damn.
would just get another.
I got fucking shells all down my shirt, bro. Fuck. Fuck. I got hit in the face with like every shell. Nice.
On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Let's get another one.
Let's try to get it done right this time.
I know, right?
I'm starting it. All right.
Let's go. Fucked up. Fucked up again. Woo.
The mag just goes in it nice and clean, huh?
Yeah, hell yeah. front of the camera. My bad.
Trigger's fucking stiff as shit, but it feels good once it shoots.
Yo, I feel like that gun's not accurate at all, to be honest.
No, it is. It's not, it is. It's just you're not used to the trigger.
Yeah.
Yeah, trigger's a little.
So you gotta put a lot of. There's a man behind that trigger.
Squeeze that.
You put a can of man behind that thing. Now, is that laser on point? That dot?
Close. I've never like 0-0-0'd it, but.
The trigger on this thing's awesome, huh?
Yeah, I put the new one in.
Shoot it.
I need to do that one of these. Every time I'm here, I'm just fucking around with it. I'm like, I need to one day put it on point.
Tell me when you're ready, bro.
I'm ready.
All you gotta do is take safety off.
Let's get it.
Another.
Nice job.
Yeah, it's a little heavy, but I love it.
Not that heavy.
Oh,
Not that heavy at all.
And he's got the.
We'll load another one. It's got to be all the way.
Everything is smack, bro.
I would say that might be fucking thrown off the magnifier.
What this?
When I don't know. You might have to fuck with the focus. I haven't fucked with it in a while.
Alright, we straight.
Look at this. Smell that?
Hell yeah.
Smell freedom right there.
You get that.
Freedom.
That shit smells so fucking good.
Now you can still aim with it like that.
This is just a magnifier. Like I said, I don't know if this is focused or not. This thing's been sitting in the fucking safe for a while. I throw it in my bag. Sometimes I fucking move shit.
Thank you, sir. Now this thing collapse too? Nice. Hell yeah, bro. Did you put this on yourself? Squat rail?
That actually I didn't. I had somebody put it on because it's like a no name. I forgot what it is. It's not like a popular brand.
Yep.
So when I got it, I opened it. I was like, how the fuck does this work? Right? So I just brought it to
Yeah.
you know AJ's and Christian.
Yep.
I just had him do it. He did it for me. Even he said it. He's like, yo, I've never seen anything like this. He's like, I'll figure it out though. Like,
I'll figure it out.
They actually didn't end up. He was like, yo, are you sure? He's like, yeah, it's fine. He's like, now like I learned something. I was like, all right.
Well, I got a charcoal grill, brand new charcoal grill, bro. I don't fuck with propane no more.
Yeah, why not? Charcoal's the way to go.
Charcoal's the best, bro.
Charcoal's the best tasting hickory, smoke, apple wood,
Dude,
all
never.
that shit.
Anything with the word smoke in it.
Facts. Wait for the smell.
I can't see. Check.
Oh, it smells so good.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I put the new one in.
Can't see. Ah,
Smell that?
hell yeah. Yeah.
The smell of freedom right there. Thank you, sir.
You might have
All right, now it's on.
and that button is the brightness of the bipod.
Oh, thank you for that.
Well, I'm actually gonna use it for that and my my 1026.
Hell yeah.
What?
That was good.
All right, I guess it's time to clean it. Oh, there's a release is right over here. If you want to, that side release.
That thing's a fucking beast, bro.
Love it. Whole new kit on it. Like I guess some people can buy this.
It's
and
worth
put
the
it
money,
on
bro.
it. Well, that's what when you do the math out. If you were to buy a SOCOM 16, this stock.
You already know.
What?
You already know.
Woo!
And my 1020.
Hell
What? Alright, I guess it's time to clean it.
This thing's a fucking beast, bro.
I love it.
yeah. Love it.
You gotta
Fucking
clean it though.
nice.
That thing's a bitch to fucking take apart.
Oh, I'm sure, but it's so fucking nice.
Oh yeah, no, I love it.
Damn.
I was just in the gun store and somebody was leaving with one and I was like, what the fuck is that? Let me look at that. And then he was like, dude, I got another one. I was like, don't tell me.
And you
So I put it on
that
layaway.
day?
I put it on layaway and I fucking, it's probably like a month and a half. I was like, yeah, I'm taking it home now.
I need to get
yeah.
myself something like that, man. That's fucking sick.
They fucking let you do layaway? Where they do that shit at?
JNS and
JNS?
Cushnet.
I never even
Bro,
been
what's
there.
up? That's the only thing I would ever use layaway for is guns.
Guns, bro.
That shit at layaway.
Hell yeah.
All three of those motherfuckers.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Just a
saying.
hold. Like,
What?
hold this for a few weeks until I can get you the rest of the money. Bro.
Exactly.
That's
Exactly.
nuts.
Put shit in it? A couple extra bullets or some shit? Yeah. Damn, shit almost got stuck.
So that uses when you want, if you wanted to change shit, it's an AR buffer tube. So I could put that buffer tube in, and that's an AK. So if you wanted to buy your own, I think that's what you.
Where'd you get the sight from, bro? I like
The
this
sight it came with that package. That's why that package is a little more money.
Yeah.
That sight I think is a few $100. And you gotta rock it. So you gotta stick it like way up in there. Rock it down. That's the safety. So safety's on.
So that's it on.
That's on. Yeah, that's
Alright,
off.
that's off. Alright, word. Nice. Woo!
Am I hitting it?